Why most beginners fail online and how to avoid it using AI. Let me be very honest with you. Most beginners don't fail online because they are lazy, they don't fail because they are not smart, and they don't fail because they don't want success badly enough. Most beginners fail online because they are doing the wrong things in the wrong order with no system and no leverage. If you are watching this video right now, there is a high chance that one, you've watched many videos before. Two, you've saved many screenshots. Three, you've tried different ideas, but results are still slow or non-existent. In this video, I show you number one, the real reason most beginners fail online. Two, the traps nobody warned you about. Three, how to use AI to avoid these mistakes and move faster. And this is especially important if you are starting with little money, little time, and zero experience. Let's get into it. Section number one. The number one reason beginners fail is no clear path. The biggest mistake beginners make is this. They try to do everything instead of following one clear path. One day they are watching affiliate marketing videos. Next day is crypto. Another day is this. The following day is drop shipping. And the next day is AI tool. No focus, no structure, no direction. Imagine trying to travel from Lagos to Abuja, but every 10 minutes you change the road. You will burn fuel, waste time, and still not arrive. Online income works the same way. Success online is not about knowing everything. It's about committing to one clear system long enough for it to work. This is where most beginners lose momentum. Section number two, consuming more than they create. Here is another painful truth. Most beginners are professional consumers. They watch videos every day. They save posts. They join Telegram group. They download PDFs but rarely take action. Information feels productive, but it's not progress. And the internet is designed to keep you consuming, not creating. This is where AI changes everything. AI helps you move from one, overthinking, two, waiting for perfection, and three, I don't know what to post, to one, clarity, two, speed, three, action. With AI, you don't need to think from scratch, be a perfect writer, be a professional speaker. You just need direction. Section number three, why beginners quit too early. Most people quit right before things start working. Here is what usually happens. First 2 weeks, there is excitement. Next 2 weeks, then low views. Next 1 month, doubt setting, then quitting. But what they don't understand is this. Online success has a delayed reward system. Your first videos are not for money. They are for learning, testing, building signal for the algorithm, and building confidence. AI helps you survive this phase by reducing effort, speeding up content creation, helping you stay consistent even when motivation is low. Consistency beats talent every time. Section number four, how AI helps you avoid these failures. Let's talk practical now. Yes, how AI helps beginners avoid failures. One, AI gives you clarity. For instance, you can ask AI what content to create, what product to promote, how to structure your message. No more guessing. If this is already making sense, stay with me because the final system is what most people miss. Two, AI saves you time. Instead of spending 3 hours thinking, AI helps you outline scripts, generate captions, and create idea faster. 3. AI reduces fear. Many beginners are afraid of talking, writing, being judged. AI helps you prepare, rehearse, and structure your thoughts. You are no longer starting from zero, but you are starting from assistance. Section number 5. The simple system beginners should follow. Let me give you a simple system that works. Step 1. Pick one part, either affiliate marketing, content creation, or digital product. Just one. Step 2. Create simple content. That is, teach what you are learning, explain problems you are encountering, then share beginner-friendly insights. Step 3. Use AI daily. For what? For script, ideas, learning, and consistency. Step 4. Build one funnel. That is, one link, one offer, one clear next step. Not many links, not many distractions. This alone puts you ahead of 90% of beginners. Section 6. Final mindset shift. Let me leave you with this. You don't fail online because you are not good enough. You fail because you try to do everything alone. AI is not cheating. AI is leverage. The people winning online today are not smarter. They are simply using better tools and better systems. And of course, you can do the same. If you want a simple AI assisted system that shows beginner how to create content, stay consistent, build income step by step, then check the link in the description. And if this video helps you, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who is struggling online right now. Because sometimes one clear system is all it takes to change everything. If you want a simple AI assisted system that shows you exactly what to do next, check the link in the description. Rooting to hear your success story thereafter.